Good morning to the Kringle community all over the world. You are welcome once again to Freedom for Humanity. I am Olorun Oluwayinde, also known as Sapphire Jewel, one of the many voices of TVC around the world. This morning I will be talking on dream big. Dream big. There is a quotation ascribed to Henry David Thoreau which says, "Dreams are the benchmark of our character." How much have you dreamed? Dream big, from little to great. Guys, friends, I want you to watch this little clip as I go on.
Hey, look, doesn't cost anything to dream big. Like, just dream big. What I have here is a fleet, not an airplane, not a helicopter. I got a fleet. You understand what I'm saying? So, you can do this, but you got to dream big. The machines cost money. The dream is free. The dream is free. The work is not. You got to do the work, put in the work, pay the price today, so you can pay any price in the future. When I was 28 years old, I started paying a price every day, showing up, putting in the work. Augusta 139, the $12 million helicopter, it says N808 on the back. You know what that stands for? Let's make some noise. Look it up in the Urban Dictionary. What does 808 mean? It also means some of the most powerful numbers there are. 8 is infinity, and 0, obviously, is where it all starts. Back here on the tail of that plane, everything to me means something. If you're going to do something, make sure it means something. 365 GC, that means I get to be me 365 days of the year. That's a Gulfstream 550, 2017, brand new. It's about $53 million. It is without a doubt one of the nicest, best, well-respected heavy jets in the world. Follow me. Dream big. Dream big. It's free. 13 passengers, 14 hours nonstop. Oh, I'm sorry. When you dream big and you work hard and you pay the price over long periods of time, you don't have to get one helicopter. You can get two. Augusta 139. 5-passenger, interior cabin on that is $1.4 million. Two pilots, two engines, probably the safest helicopter in the world today. And we bought 2 of them for you, to inspire you, hopefully. For you guys that are envious, and you got hate in your heart, and you're resenting, and you're like, why does anybody need to do all that? Why not? Why not?
Guys, dream big. How much are you dreaming? How much of your dream are you aspiring to become great by tomorrow? Life runs on dreams. The size of your dreams determine the quality of your life. If you want to live well, dream big. For many, life has come to sunset when it is supposed to be at sunset, at sunshine. They've seen it all because they set it small. Tiny dreams shortens life. So, dream big. Today, a lot of frustrations can trace to lifestyle dreams. Little vision attracts passions. Little visions attract tasteless passions. And at the end, produces crippled living. Friends, life could be more fun if the dream is big. Without a dream, you are like a gardener planting from a packet that has no label. not knowing what to expect. You cannot prepare or plan effectively. You only take what comes your way. Don't be satisfied with taking things as they come. Life is what you make of it. Your tomorrow will depend on your dream and passion of today. A man without a dream has his future determined doomed. Do yourself a favor today. Dream big. Now, to the Kringle community, you know we dream big in TBC. You know we dream big. Let's go on. Let's forge ahead. Let's do all within our power to end the distribution and start the fullness of our economic phase. That is when people will now begin to see the big dreams that we have been dreaming all along. Dream big. And to all members who are listening to me or to anyone watching me right now, dream big. Acquire as many coins as you can. Now, during the distribution, don't forget, pay your program fee regularly. You will be rewarded with a lot of coins. Then, after distribution, what comes? Big dream comes true. Then you begin to live big, live large. So, guys, pay the price today. Sow, water, sow and water for you to have a great harvest tomorrow to live big. So, guys, I leave you with this word today. Live your life on a big dream. Thank you. I wish you a wonderful day. Don't forget, click that red button on my right hand side and subscribe to this channel. And also try as much as possible to share to others. Bye for now.